Alright, this Jill. I'm from Got Balls, you all know it. So here we
I
go.
got balls.
We got something called air compressor. We're about to do crazy stuff with this, alright? So ready? This is how we started. Here, hit this, man, hit this. Hit this jump. Hit this jump.
Oh yeah, we gotta do
Hit
that.
it. Come on, D, hit it. Hit this jump.
Yo.
My hair. Hit this.
It ain't
Do
doing
that.
it.
Hit this, John. Hit that. Hit that. Hit that, man. No, get your head, man. Put it in your mouth. Put it in your mouth. Come on, hit that. Hit that.
I can't feel it.
Hit it, man. Hit it. Gayford. I got this. Oh! Hold on. Let me look at it.
All that crap coming out.
I ain't doing that.
Man, just hit it. Oh. Well, we got a little visitor. Here, hit this.
No.
Alright, we're done. Who got balls?